This is a short video to demonstrate the looks of my finished dry stack block house. If you notice, the walls have been painted. I decided to paint a pastel blue, that way it matches the Florida decor. As I rotate around the house, you can see that this is 5 or 6 years after the house was finished. Those gray tarps that you see at the end of the house are water tanks. I store 1,500 gallons of rainwater and use that to water the yard. Makes a big difference. Of course, I don't have the plumbing set up yet to water the yard, but that's one of the next projects. Now we've moved from the utility room to the garage. And this is standing in the center of the great room in the center of the house facing the front door. Powder room on the right, clothes closet on the left. So it's a coat closet. Another view of the front view. And there's a hallway on the right that goes back to the 2 bedrooms. This is the center of the great room looking to the back of the house. French doors and 9-foot of windows on each side of the V. Makes for a nice open space. And here's the kitchen. Kitchen with multiple countertops. And then this is a guest bedroom off that hall that we talked about earlier. And we have massive closets. They're 4 foot deep. And here's the master bedroom in 2 different angles. So that concludes this video. Now you know what the house looks like when it was finished.